celebrating the divine wedding of Goddess Tulsi and Lord Vishnu. But distance or a busy life can make it difficult to perform this beautiful sacred tradition. Prayag Pandits bridges that distance. We bring the complete Tulsi Vivah ceremony from the holy city directly to you with our online Puja package. Our experienced Pandits perform the sacred Vivah in your name and Gotra, following every holy tradition. Witness every ritual live on video call and feel the divine energy as if you are right here with us. But our sacred duty for you doesn't end there. After the Vivah, in your name, we perform Bhojan Vitaran, offering meals to the needy on the holy ghats. And as evening descends, we light a lamp for your family's prosperity and offer it to the holy river in a beautiful Deep Dan ceremony. This is not just a puja, it's a complete spiritual experience. It's your chance to perform seva, honor tradition, and receive immense blessings for your family. Do not let this auspicious opportunity pass. Visit prayagpandits.com to book your complete online Tulsi Vivah Puja today. May the divine couple bless your home with unending love, happiness, and light.